Are you ready to make chapatis?
Whoa.
Whoa, are you alright? Okay, here's a dough. Wait, flatten it first with your palm. Yes. Okay. Okay. Oh, I think you need some. Wait. Let me put some flour so it's gonna stick. Okay. Roll.
Wow.
Slowly, darling. Be patient. Roll it all the way, the other way as well. Yes. Yeah. That's right. Okay, that looks done.
Can I roll more?
Yes. Wait. Let me just put some.
There's some stuff here.
What?
There's some stuff.
Yeah. Okay, we'll clean it up. It's puffing up. Yummy.
Yes.
Yes. You like it?
Yum.
Is it good? Oh wow! Hey, you made your own bread. Isn't that wonderful? Yay! Okay, let's make some more. You want to make fun for mommy and Naomi? Okay. You like making your own food?
Yes. We are making chapati.
Yes. So how does it taste?
Good.
Good. You think you can sell this? Can open our own shop? Is it because you want to eat all your own food? Okay, let's make some more for mommy. Okay?